Welcome to the channel. In this class I am explaining about coplanar vectors. These are very important. Already you know what is meant by vector. Vector is nothing but a line segment containing magnitude and direction. But what is coplanar vector? Coplanar vector is some difference is there between vector and coplanar vector. What is the difference? Means the vectors whose supports are parallel to the same plane are called coplanar vectors. What is plane? Already you know, xy plane, xyz plane. Okay, so here those vectors are 2 or 3 or whatever it is, those vectors are parallel to the same plane are called coplanar vectors. It's nothing but parallel. But there is one condition is there. Always two vectors are coplanar. But whenever there is more than two vectors, more than two non-zero vectors, 3 or 4, at that time only we want to check those are coplanar or not. That is important point which I have observed here. Why? Because suppose you can take two vectors, two non-zero vectors, those are coplanar. Okay, but whenever you have 3 or more, 3 or 4 vectors, at that time we want to check those are coplanar or not. That is important point which I have observed here. See here, so the vectors whose supports are parallel to the same plane are called coplanar vectors. So coplanar or non-coplanar vectors arise only when vectors, that means non-zero vectors more than 2. At that time only we can arise the case of coplanar or non-coplanar. That means what? Coplanar or non-coplanar. Not coplanar, those are non-coplanar vectors. But the condition is the coplanar vectors or non-coplanar vectors arise only when more than two vectors. Arise only when non-zero vectors are greater than 2. Okay? Greater than 2 means 3 or 4 what it is. Yes? But there is at least 2 vectors will have a plane, that those are coplanar. Since any 2 vectors are always coplanar. Okay? Any 2 vectors always coplanar, but whenever more than 2, that means 3 or 4 vectors are there, those are non-zero vectors are there, at that time only you want to check those are coplanar or not. Okay? See here, condition for coplanarity of 2 lines. Let us take 2 lines. Let us take 2 lines. R equals to A1 plus lambda V1, that is number 1. R equals to A2 plus lambda V2, that is number 2. Please observe here. Line 1 is passing through the point A and having position vector A1 and parallel to B1. That's all. Next one. Line 2 is passing through the point B, having position vector A2 and parallel to B2. That's all. Here, line 1 is passing through the point A and we having position vector A1 and parallel to B1. Okay, same manner line 2 is passing through the point B having position vector A2 and parallel to B2. Then AB equals to A2 minus A1. You know that. Yes or not? AB equals to A2 minus A1. The given lines are coplanar, then A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 equals to 0. If this condition obeys, those two lines are coplanar. A2 minus A1 dot B1 cross B2 equals to 0. Okay. See here, coplanarity for three vectors. How to find how would you say coplanarity for three vectors? It's nothing but take three vectors. Take three vectors or A equals to A1I plus A2J plus A3K. B is equals to B1I plus B2J plus B3K. C equals to C1I plus C2J plus C3K. These are three vectors A, B, C. Now, condition is nothing but A, B, C equals to 0. That implies A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2 equals to 0. That means determinant of these terms is equal to 0. Then those vectors are called coplanar vectors. Simple. Okay. A, B, C. Simply you can write these are in this form. After that you can find determinant. Whenever determinant is 0, those are coplanar. Otherwise, non-coplanar. That's all. Okay. See here, coplanarity for three vectors. How to find the coplanarity when three vectors are given? See here, example. If vectors A equals to 2i minus j plus k, B equals to I plus 2j minus 3k, C equals to 3i plus pj plus 5k are coplanar, then find P. Now we want to find the value of P. How to find? Simple. What is the condition for coplanar? A, B, C equals to 0. Yes or not? That means what? Determinant of these terms equals to 0. Now write this one. 2 minus 1, 1. 1, 2, minus 3. 3, P, 5. We are writing simply multiples of I, multiples of j is minus 1, multiples of k is 1. Same manner, B and C. Now this equals to 2 into, you know about how to find determinant when 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So this one, 2 into 5, 10 minus 2 minus plus 3p. Yes, minus 1 plus 1, minus of minus 1 into this one, 5 into 5 minus plus 9, minus of minus plus 9. Okay, same manner, 1 into P minus 6, P into 1, P, 3 into 2, 6, P minus 6, plus minus plus, that's all. Okay, now 20 plus 6P minus into minus plus 5 plus 9 minus to minus plus 5 plus 9 14 plus p minus 6. Okay, 20 plus 14 34 minus 6 28 plus 6 p plus p 7p equals to 0. That is equals to 0. Okay, this implies p equals to minus 28 by 7 minus 4. Therefore, p value equals to minus 4. That's all. Okay, simple. Simply you can find determinant, that's all, of given vectors. Now take 4 points. Coplanar for 4 distinct points. That means what? So 2 points over 3 over now 4 points. Take 4 points or A, B, C and D. These are 4 points. If A, B, C, D are coplanar, if means if and only if AB, AC and AD are coplanar, that means what? AB, AC, AD. Suppose if you can take A as a basic point, B, C, D. So AB, AC, AD. That means therefore AB, AC, AD equals to 0. So whenever 4 points are there, at that time simply can write this is the formula for coplanar. Okay, so 2 points, 3 points and 4 points. Always remember one point, in every way, normally matrices and also in vector matrices, same formulas, but different ways we are following the formats. That means what? Here we are following AB, AC, AD means what? Those are position vectors. You know that? Yes or not? So first you can find AB, AC, AD. After that you can find determinant. Whenever that is 0, those 4 points are coplanar. That's all. Okay? Okay guys? Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe our YouTube channel Mathjog and hit the bell icons to get more information. Thank you.